In 2014, I was setting up my terrace garden and find some gap in industry.
A great journey throughout all these years.
It's not just about planting trees. We are majorly focusing on the two factors. One is the survivability and another is the transparency. And we specifically chosen the name Grow Billion Trees because we are not just planting trees, we are
growing them. Yes.
Yes.
Whole world is running towards the sustainability.
For the deforestation, the major causes are agriculture because we have cleaned up the land and start doing monoculture in that.
So you have mentioned about footprinting.
If you talk about our oceans, they are the biggest sink of carbon.
Yes. You have been recognized by Forbes.
So, oh my God, moment
Oh
for
my God,
us.
moment,
And it is quite encouraging for us.
Even India is equally bearing responsibility with some other developed nation.
Like the biggest misconception is, as an individual, it doesn't matter. It does matter.
It does matter.
Every contribution counts. Many occasions we just give tribute to the God in our life, or we do celebrations in the we do party and all.
Yeah.
So we can make the tree plantation a positive system. I would rather say it's a time that we should give back to the society.
Hello people, Ella Naru, hope you are doing well. And today we have our second guest, and it is none other than Nidhi Singh. She's a entrepreneur, and also she had been running successfully a great startup. She's here to talk more about her new startup, that is Grow Billion Trees. So let's hear more from her, what they do and what they contribute towards our environment and sustainability. So let's jump into it and see what she wants to say on our show. Hi Nidhi, how are you?
Hi Shivani, I'm doing good. What about
Okay.
you?
I'm doing great, and thank you so much for coming onto your show. And it was really grateful that with one text you came onto our show, and thank you so much for that.
So I would like to thank you a lot for giving Grow Billion Tree an opportunity to create more and more awareness. So thank you, Shivani.
Thank you so much. So we'll just talk about your early life. Like I've seen that you've started from TCS, and then you have been successfully running Nursery Live, which is also a great startup. And now it's Grow Billion Trees.
Yes.
So it's like a great journey throughout all these years. So will you just give me like what made you start this, and how is your journey all through these years?
Yes, sure. So, as you correctly mentioned, I started my career as a software engineer and started with TCS. And after that, I wanted to do something big. So, I started my entrepreneurial journey with a company named Heartopia, where we are developing projects received from US, UK, and Canada market. Then in 2014, I was setting up my terrace garden and find some gap in industry. There are beautiful plants available in nurseries, and we didn't know more about plants, how to take care for them.
Yes.
So we, along with my co-founders Nandu Singh and Satyendra Kumar, we decided to launch a knowledge platform. It is nurserylife.com.
Okay.
So where we help garden lovers for everything or anything related to plants in that way. Gradually we it converted into a e-commerce platform, and we are doing doorstep delivery for live plants, any gardening related equipment, pan India. And we now we
great.
have the community of 58 lakh garden lovers with us so far.
That's
So-
totally great.
Yes, yes. So it's all about knowledge part and the availability. So we are helping garden lovers to build their beautiful gardens in each and
Okay.
every way we can. During that journey, like 5 to 6 years back, we were supplying plants to corporates, to NGOs, and we have a ground network to, because we are delivering pan India of the
Yes.
farmers, of the producers of those plants.
Yes.
So gradually, corporate ask us, why don't you do the employee engagement activity for us, for the reforestation initiatives and for employee engagement for tree plantation. So we, as you are the domain person, so we accepted it and we thought, yeah, it's a great thing we can contribute, because
Yes.
if we have that knowledge. So we started from there, and there was an incident in Pune only. We arranged a tree plantation activity, and we found we were planting trees on the same piece of land where the employee engagement happened previous year as well.
Okay.
So it was quite heart wrenching. Like, what happened to those plants? So
Yeah, it is.
of course, because if you are doing any activity and the whole efforts got wasted if you didn't focus on the survival of those trees. So from that moment we started like we take it very seriously, because it's not just about planting trees,
Yes,
because
it is
that is
not.
the moment where the responsibilities start.
Yes,
It's just like कि अभी तो बेबी पैदा हुआ है, from here
it
you have to
is.
start taking
Yeah.
care of each and every aspect,
Yes.
and you help to grow it, because
Yes.
for initial years it requires your nourishment, it requires your support.
It
So
does.
from there we thought not just planting trees, we just like focusing on growing it. That's so, and we found it like quite promising. So like we all together registered a new entity, Grow Billion Trees, and where we are majorly focusing on the two factors. One is
Okay.
the survivability and another is the transparency.
Okay.
So wherever we plant a tree, we make sure that this tree will survive and thrive for so long. So for that, like we just introduce a very small SOPs, like picking up the native trees only,
Okay.
and like using the local available manure, suppose rice husk or maybe the cocoa peat or all those things to nourish the plant, and of course the transparency factor as well, because many times it happens when or a company is doing a tree plantation drive, so employer comes and do the tree plantation and they were not aware what happened, मतलब एक
What
साल
happened to
एक
that?
या
Yeah,
एक
yeah,
दो
yes.
महीने बाद या एक साल बाद हमें नहीं पता होता है what we have done and
Yes,
how we
yes.
contributed.
Yeah.
But rather than I would like to say it's about any journey. Like suppose if you are on a weight loss, you want a gradual measurements and like the progress you are doing. That's the
Yes,
only
yes.
way to motivate yourself.
Yeah.
So with the tree plantation, if we help everyone, okay, the tree you has been planted, how it is going to impact to the farmers or like to the local communities and to the environment. If you get that local like gradual updates, then you will be motivated enough to do it more and more. That helps to create the awareness. So via Trek platform we are trying to create a transparency, like but just sitting in a boardroom every organization can see how, like what is happening right currently with my plant, how
Yeah.
it is creating an impact and all
Yes,
those
yes.
factor, and as an individual as well.
Yeah.
So here at Grow Billion Trees, we are on a mission to plant 1 billion trees by 2030, and we specifically chosen the name Grow Billion Trees because we are not just planting trees, we
Yeah,
are
you're
growing
growing
them.
them.
Yes.
Yes.
So every tree we planted, we take care for the tree at least for 3 years. After that, like they are big enough to take care of us.
Yeah.
It's like that. And every tree we plant, we issue a tree certificate
Yes.
having the QR code, and that QR code lead you to our platform where you can have all the minute details, the geolocation, and contribution towards the environment and to the farmers, and each and every detail. So you can have seen that like what you have done.
That's really great, and truly appreciate your initiative. And I am a nature lover, so it is like it is good to see that someone is taking care of trees and someone are helping them to grow.
Yes.
So that's really great.
So there is a very beautiful thing about plant. Like if you
Yeah.
ask anyone, do you love pat, do you love chocolate, or do you love dancing? Maybe some of them say yes or no.
Yeah.
But if you ask anyone, do you like trees or plant?
Yeah.
Nobody will say no.
Yeah, it is like they are so like they are the living things with us
Yes,
technically. So it is
They are the backbone of the ecosystem.
yeah, they
Yes,
are.
yeah.
So pretty much you have summed up about all the mission and all about this Grow Billion Trees. But are you having some vision statement like what to do in the future and what are the future goals of this Grow
Yes,
Billion
so
Trees?
like we are empowering individuals and organizations
Okay.
to achieve their net zero goals, and
Okay.
like we are creating a platform where, as I mentioned, we are like trying to plant 1 billion trees by 2030, and after this, that like we are creating it in a way. After this cycle repeats every year, and we are going to make it so easy that individual and organizations can contribute and will be able to plant 1 billion trees every year after that.
That's really great. And so currently, like everyone are running towards this sustainability and more adopting to sustainable goals. Like not just our country or this state, this particular region, whole world is running towards this sustainability. So how good and how great impact would grow billion trees would lead a path to that sustainable growth.
So I would say, yes, tree planting is a very important thing, but sustainability is all about working towards net zero.
Yeah.
And it is more about what you consume, what you produce, and how you live.
Yes, it
So
does.
it is more about not just about your like offsetting your footprint. So, but it is about like to working on every processes where you can reduce your carbon footprint, and of course, along with that, where tree plantation we can contribute more towards the offsetting part.
Yes,
Yeah.
we
So
do.
sustainability is whole about like clean energy, reducing waste, and adopting local food,
Yes.
and thinking about the soil and the water health. So it's not just about planting trees.
It
It's
is
the
a whole
whole,
thing. It's
yes,
a whole
whole
universe thing.
universe.
Yeah.
Great. And
And
when we talk about the tree plantation,
yeah.
so major of our projects is with agroforestry. And if I talk about like when we are doing agroforestry, so I'll just give you a brief about agroforestry.
Yeah.
So when we started on our earth, so of course during our like in urban cities we are creating more and more carbon footprint we are
Yes, we do.
generating.
Yeah.
But for the deforestation, the major cause is our agriculture, because we have
Yeah.
cleaned up the land and like start doing monoculture in that.
Yes.
So that is the factor where our cycle get disturbed and biodiversity has been affected.
Yeah.
So agroforestry is introducing those elements again to your monocropping culture. So when farmer is doing monocrop like gehu, jawar, bajra, whatever in that particular region, we help them and we make them aware to introduce the fruit trees, the timber tree on boundaries,
Yeah.
maybe some small orchid in the land they are having, and some fruit trees in between. So it is going to balance, and it balance in the sustainable cycle and in the climate cycle, generate biodiversity, because
Yes.
the trees attract birds and pollinators, so like it is help in pollination as
Yeah.
well. And it is going to, at the time those trees are going to fix the soil health, it will
Yes.
reduce soil erosion, and at the same time they are going to contribute more towards the farmer livelihood as well. We did a survey, like we are running many projects around Haryana, UP, and MP, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh. So we did a survey, and we have seen like from that monoculture where farmer is getting 32 to 40,000 per year. Now, like after 3 years, you can say 1.5 to 3 years, with the fruit trees, they are like with their yields, the same farmer is having the income of say 1.25 lakhs or 1.5 lakhs. It is a switch
Okay.
of 3x to 4x.
It is.
So
Yeah.
sustainability is all about balancing environmental, economical, and the social health.
It is
Yeah.
actually. So you have mentioned about footprinting and like carbon footprinting. Generally, people don't know much about this carbon
Yes,
footprinting,
yes.
but it's like it is not something a particular organization or a particular political party which has to take care of environment. It is like every single person is responsible for
Yes,
carbon
yes,
footprinting.
yes.
So how do you see what people can do from their end to reduce this carbon emissions from their thing, and which would eventually result to our own well-being in future?
So I think we should pay more attention towards our consumption,
Yeah.
and maybe very small steps we can take it, like we can pay more attention on reducing like use less water
Yeah.
whenever whatever requires, use less energy,
Yes.
because see, the water we are getting in our home, if you check about the cycle from where it is coming and whatever the effect has been done with those motors and pumps and like building infrastructure from there, those are the all things which are generating a carbon footprint. If we
Yeah.
are wasting that water, it means more and more carbon footprint are generating, and there is a waste.
Yeah.
Whatever you require, just use that.
Yeah.
So the initial, like the basic things is a individual we can do it, just keep check on like effective use of water, effective user energy at your home. Whenever you are not using anything, just switch off it, the lights and the fan and the AC.
Yes.
And other than that, like just go local, use local produce, keep a eye on like saving more and more food, like reduce the wastage of food, because
Yes.
whenever you have a food on your plate, just assume it in a way, like just think it in a way, it has a cycle कि एक बार वो farmer के farm में गेहूं उगा होगा, उसको करने के लिए या उसको harvest करने के लिए we use a lot of things like tractors, and then we use a lot of logistics to take it to
Yes.
some place. So in a way there is a cycle, and it is
Yeah.
creating carbon footprint. So whatever is required, don't waste food.
Yeah.
And like go for a very go for a restoring or ecosystem. So it's all about the mindset. So
Yes.
we can start with the small steps, and of course we should talk more about what we are doing is like less use of plastics and all, and create a awareness. So that's the thing which is like you can really do, and you can create a like you can contribute more.
Yeah. So you have mentioned about this plastic and all, and almost every house, like every household has this plastic and etc.
Yes.
Like especially this single-use plastic, like they use it for one time and they throw it away, and this only just creates a mess around, and it is not good for the environment. So. Like what can we do apart from like is there any ways that apart from plastic we can just move to jute bags and all, so
So yes, like there are very basic steps we can at least start with.
Yeah.
Just like carry reusable water bottles.
Yes.
Just carry your cloth bags every time with
Yeah.
you. So it will sabotage the use of plastic bags.
Yes.
Like say no to straws.
Yeah.
Because of that, like without a straw also you can have your drinks. And as a household maybe you can invest in bulk buying, because
Yes.
क्या होता है कि when you get some food and you are refilling your containers, then is
Yes.
also it's saving a lot of plastic with you.
Yeah, actually, like now I've seen that many places you have mentioned about straws and all this. Like they are using the paper ones, like which
Yes,
are
yes,
good for
yeah,
the
those are
environment.
good.
Yeah.
Paper ones and then the rice ones.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
and also the cups which are made of paper.
Paper, yeah, and the
Yes.
steel straw are also there. So of course, like after COVID, people are more aware about their own health and the environmental health. That is a big switch in the awareness, and we feel so good. Like nowadays, people are more and more aware and taking the initiative and working towards the sustainability.
That's really great. So like coming back to this plants and all. So like the main thing we have read in our childhood is that we get air, fresh air from plants. Like in a simple sentence,
Yes.
not using carbon dioxide and oxygen. We, in a
Yes.
simple sentence, we get a fresh air from plants. So right now there is too much going on, like about air pollution and all. Recently, there was a lot of talk about this air pollution around, and especially during winters, it get more worse. So, like how good a plant can be, and how good it can help towards this air pollution. Like, if we start planting more, we can like breathe a good air more.
Yes,
So.
of course. So, like, yes, it is true. Plays a very important role to provide you the fresh air,
Yes, it
and of
does.
course, like this air pollution is like very harmless for our human respiratory
Yeah.
systems. And when you plant a tree, it gives you fresh air. It like absorbs a lot of pollutants from the air. So it's a like of course it's a fantastic idea, but I would rather say it's not the only thing.
Yeah,
It's
it's
about
not
the
the
whole
only-
approach.
Yeah,
So
it
we
is.
should work more on clean energies, the proper waste management of the cities, and in restoring our ecosystem. We have to concern more about the soil health and the environmental health in that way.
I've seen it. Like I've seen your website of Grow Billion Trees, and there are so many things like about mangroves, and you have
Yes,
already
yes.
said about agroforestation, like and also
Yes.
urban forest, and
Yes.
There are so many things.
So
So you
many.
can just give me a brief, like what all you do in this Grow Billion
Yes,
Trees.
so like as I already mentioned about the agroforestry, so it
Yeah.
is going to help to the environment at the same time with the farmers' livelihood, and we do dense plantation in the urban areas, because there we have less space. So the dense plantation or the Miyawaki technique is a very good to generate or like to for the afforestation, and like a Miyawaki technique is a very good technique, and it helps you to create forest like 10 times faster and 30 times denser. So that
Yeah.
is one way. With the help of corporates and the funders, we are able to like create, now we are able to create a many of the Miyawakis and like a bigger agroforestry project. And of course, if you talk about our oceans, they are the
Yeah.
biggest sink of carbon.
Yes.
So our ocean health is like, health is also very much important. So mangroves are the one, they are very helpful in creating a biodiversity in water, and of course they are the guards for the coastline. So
Yeah,
they
they are.
like help us, and they give a protection against the storms and other things to
Yeah,
us.
it does.
Yeah, so like it's not about only one thing, it's all about like the ecosystem, the biodiversity, and the
Yes,
like the
it is.
sustainability, how you can approach it.
So, yeah, so you have just now mentioned about this respiratory problems and all.
Yeah.
So right now, like there is a lot of like growth in this cancer patients and all, like mainly because of lung cancers and all. They are increasing very rapidly, and looking care of our environment might help a bit. Like maybe there's a lot of things like
Of
lifestyle and
course.
all, but still the environment part also
Of
plays
course,
a role.
like that is the like
Yeah,
basic. So,
yeah,
and of course, that is why I said ki it's about the whole, but plant plays a very important role in the sustainability chapter. So,
yes, it
any which
does.
ways, any effort, either it's a tree plantation, the waste management, or anything, it is going to contribute to the fresher and the healthier world in future.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
So, coming back to this, the founders like you and the other two people, all three have come together and started such a great initiative. So, how we say, generally, if we talk to our friends and if we say we'll just start it, and it doesn't happen that soon.
Yeah.
So, how you came together like towards one idea and you have made it successful also.
Yes.
So,
So as I already told you, our journey, like this is not our first
yeah,
initiative,
yeah.
and like I would say is the serendipity during our journey, and like it's a there is a lot to contribute, because
Yes.
as an individual, I believe we should, like, this is a time to giving back to the society.
Yes.
So and of course we also find many challenges during our initial times at Grow Billion Trees.
Yeah.
There we have the limited resources, and
Yes.
we have a very critical challenges in expanding our these tree plantation efforts during like across geography in India.
Yes.
But yes, like as I mentioned, with those small SOPs and like being into a processes and the system, now we are able to contribute it and making it better day by day. So we
Yes.
majorly focuses on the survival, and
Yeah.
for that we created a multiple SOPs, and like trying to create a transparency and the visibility
Yeah.
at very minute level what we are doing. So in a that way,
Yes.
like let's see, and like we
Yeah,
are
it is
trying
good.
to like create more and more awareness, and like trying to create it more transparent for everyone to see.
So, like I've been looking into a few of your posts on LinkedIn, and I just got to know something very interesting that you have been recognized by Forbes and for the
Yes.
small business. Like it's a great milestone actually. So, how did you feel about it? Like, oh my God,
Of course, it's a oh my
it's
god
a
moment
oh
for
my God
us as
moment.
well,
Like,
and it is
yeah,
quite encouraging for us.
yeah,
It's of course it's going to be the whole team effort, and
yes,
small things you get validations, like
yes,
the team get validations like we are doing great, and
yeah,
this is something, and like the sense of achievement we
yes,
have. And of course, by getting recognized by these players in the market, the bigger players in the market, it helps you to generate the more trust, and it helps you to for the bigger partnerships. It gives
yes,
you the platform for creating more awareness. So
yes,
in
it
a
does.
way, recognizing by these bigger fishes in the market, it helps us to contribute more towards the environment, to plant more
It
and more
does,
trees.
yes.
Yeah, it is.
So, like, India is a developing nation, and technically, like, there are so many summits going on regarding this sustainability and whatnot around climate change, combating the climate change, and all. So, in there, like, technically when the developed countries, they were in their developing stage, they used all of the resources and they have created more pollution than us, but now we are bearing equal responsibility with them. Like even India is totally equally bearing responsibility with some other developed nation,
Yes.
so to reduce the carbon emissions and all. So anything you can say about this?
So see, with every nation,
Yeah.
sustainability is like not about the nation. For every individual, and if I say nation, sustainability is not expensive or inconvenient.
Yeah.
So like it's about including sustainability as a nation into our every planning
Yeah.
for the nation. Like for any future plan, we can
Yes.
include sustainability, and sustainability is all about. It's about green jobs, eco entrepreneurship, and regenerative practices.
Yes.
So sustainability in a way bring together social, environmental, and the economical aspect.
Yeah,
As I
it
say,
does.
like while planting some tree, it is going to improve the soil health for the farmers, it is
Yeah.
going to give shade to the student, and it is creating livelihood for the farmers, creating
Yes.
green jobs in the cities.
Yes.
So it is not like just like expensive and inconvenient. It is
Yeah.
so much about the balance
Yes.
and the ecosystem,
So you're
as
just
we
saying
already
that
are.
it's every individual's responsibility, not that.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, and it is like this
Yeah.
is a very like if you talk about the misconception, the
Yeah.
very like the biggest misconception is as an individual, like it doesn't matter. It does matter.
It does matter.
Every contribution counts.
Yes.
So like it's not only about the policies and the governments.
Yeah.
It is from the root level.
Yes,
And
it is.
if as an individual, if we are like more, and it is not it will not take more time and more of your money. It's just about the conscious choices you have made, and it's
Yes,
very
it
easy,
is.
as I already mentioned.
Yeah,
Just
yeah, already
just
mentioned, yeah.
switch off the lights if there. So because if with everything there is a whole lot of carbon footprint generation is there. So if we are like just be sensible and be cautious, or maybe if you can just see around you, it's very easy.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
So, like it's a lighter note question. So you have seen so many plants, you know, many plants and all. So is there something like a favorite plant or something? And
Yes, one of my favorite is neem tree
okay.
because of its resilience and it's the medicinal property. And the
Yeah.
good part is, like neem tree is native to most of the geographical region in the country.
Yes, it
And
is.
it is very resilient. It's like a very hardy plant, and it survives pretty well in
Yes,
the
it does.
cycles and
Yeah.
different cycles we have across the geography.
Yes.
So like, and for that plant you can use everything, its bark, its leaves, like its
Yeah, it is.
fruits,
Yeah,
and it
yeah,
gives
it
a
is.
full cycle. Like those neem bodies, a small fruit of that neem can attract the pollinators, the birds, and like other microorganisms. So it's a like I find it very good. Like it contributes a lot to the system. And
Yeah,
first
it
of
is.
all, every like for the whole year you can see that tree green.
Yeah, we can. We
Yes.
can, yes. There's a neem tree in front of my house, so it's always green the
It's
whole.
yes, it
whole
survived
year.
pretty well in the heat as well,
Yeah, it
in
is.
the spring as well,
Yes.
and the winters as well.
Yeah, it is.
So one of my favorite is neem tree.
It's nice. And also like this is also something a lighter question. Like if trees get a chance to talk to us, so how will they react? Like you people are cutting me off and how?
That's an interesting question.
Yeah.
So if I were a tree, I might say just go slow and breathe.
Yeah.
And we are on the same team.
Yes, we are on the same team.
We
We
are on
have
the
to
same
live together. This is co-living on Earth.
Yes. So we are on the same team.
Yeah.
Because that's
It's
the
nice.
yeah.
For our listeners, so what can they do for grow billion trees? Like what can their contribution be for grow billion trees?
So I would say it's not about grow billion trees. It's
Yeah.
about the environment and the choices you make in your life.
Yeah.
So there is a very small calculation. A mature tree can absorb 22 kg of carbon per year. So if you do a calculation, like the tree survive for 20 or 30 years, and we human has a lifespan of say 60 to 80 years. So every year, if as an individual we just plant 3 to 5 trees, it is going to average Indian, it is going to make our carbon footprint neutral.
Yeah,
So
it is.
like in terms of trees, of course there are multiple ways. As I already told you, sustainability is all about the ecosystem, the every like the energy, the water, the soil. But if you just plant 3 to 5 trees every year, it is going to contribute a lot. And
Yes.
in a year, like हम करते हैं ना हमेशा, like for on many many occasions we just give tribute to the god
Yeah,
in
we
our
do.
life, or
Yeah.
yeah, we do celebrations in the
Yeah.
like we do party and all.
Yeah.
So we can make the tree plantation a part of
Yeah.
system ki whenever
It
we are
is.
achieving something, maybe birthdays, maybe anniversaries, maybe gifting, we can do the tree plantation.
It
So
is.
you can just go, and if you want to do a tree plantation, and I know as an individuals we are living in a verticals, we don't know, sometimes the awareness is not there, how to plant tree, where to plant, now how to take care of that. So we are a platform, we are empowering individuals as well as organization. So you just had to came up with the ideas, chalo hum tree plant karte
Okay.
hain, we are there to help you out. Just go visit our website, you can plant tree for yourself, you can
Yes.
gift to your loved ones, and like you just need to do a commitment, and
Yes.
you can even volunteer, you can create awareness on your individual level, and like every small action counts.
It does.
Yes.
Actually, it's not like you have mentioned, like, it's not just that we are planting it and we are leaving it. We have to take care
Yes.
of it, like, as a
Yes, yes.
baby till the,
Yes, like
till
that's
it
the
grows. Yeah.
day from where the responsibility starts.
Yeah, it
Otherwise,
is.
all the efforts from seed to the seedling and everything got waste. Like it's a waste.
Yeah, it is. So you have mentioned about seed to the seedling, and this is like, um, how we say, a baby in a womb only,
Yes,
literally.
yes, yes,
So
literally.
we have to take care of it. Like we take care of a mother
Yes,
during that seedling
of
time.
course.
So like, how does Grow Billion Tree does this? Like, do they have uh, connection with the other people who do that seedling process and all, or
Yes.
else you would do it on your own?
Yeah, so as I say, like there, yes, of course, seed to seedling process. So as I say, during that like 11 years of nursery life journey, we have the ecosystem and networks of the nursery partners who
Yeah.
are grower and best in their work. So when we do tree plantation, we chose those plants because we already know how it grows, like how
Yeah.
so far the journey has been and how healthy the plant is.
Yeah.
So and we make sure every tree at every tree plantation, it should be the tree should be the native to that region.
Yeah,
So
it
we
is.
only plant native trees because the survival is more and it will fix the biodiversity.
Yes, it
Otherwise,
is.
it will be the reverse.
Yeah.
Yeah. So one is the native trees, and we make sure, because two major important factors for the survivability is the security and the watering. So because
it
India
is.
has a dry spell as well. So
Yeah.
during that, it is more important to plan at an initial level कि उस time पे हम उस पौधे को कैसे पानी देने वाले हैं, and
It
what you
is.
are like doing for the security purpose. So
Yeah.
whenever we do a tree plantation, for that survivability aspect, we take care of these small things with the SOPs, or using the like a native manure and like selection of the trees according to that region.
Yeah.
So it helps us with the survival of the 90%. We are wherever we are doing the tree
That's
plantation.
really great. So this Grow Billion Trees, it's across pan India, right? Anybody can use
Yes,
it.
yes, yes. And we have existence, like we have running our projects in like geography, like in Northeast, in Andhra Pradesh with Tada, Purulia, West Bengal, mangroves plantation in Sundarban and in Pulikat, and like in Jharkhand also we have projects in Haryana, UP, MP, Maharashtra, and in every major cities we are doing many employee engagement activities
Yeah.
with like various corporates, and we are working with Reliance Foundation, we are working with Apollo Tires, and we are like helping them to achieve their pledge of 1 million trees they took on OneT.org, and we are working with like many of the brands, Panasonic and Mankind Pharma, Group Landmark,
really
yeah,
great, yeah.
Caterpillar. So we
Yeah.
are doing like and like across geography we are doing the tree plantations.
Yeah, that's really great. Yeah, like you are already in this industry about
Yes.
13 to 15 years now,
Yes,
so
yes.
you're doing so great. And I would just say that this is a great initiative. And
Thank you.
like nobody easily gets such idea because
Yes.
everyone thinks of such startup which they want larger profits from them.
Yeah.
But this is something like we are giving back to the nature, and
yes.
also we are giving back to the people, and also like it's like helping and co-living with the environment. It's
Yes,
nice
yes.
initiative.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot, Shivani.
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming on to the show.
Thank you. Yeah, it's
And
pleasure.
yeah, do you want to say something about to our viewers or something like about your Grow Billion Tree? Like it's just a small bit.
So I would rather say it's a time that we should give back to the society.
Yeah.
Like just like we should pay more attention to our consumption, what we produce, and on the healthy living.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you want to know more about Grow Billion Trees, you can just see the link in the description, and you can get to know more about their services and what they do by going to their website, and just contact them. They are very sweet. They'll just connect with you, and they'll help you out whatever the way you want. Like if you have a birthday and you want to gift a plant to someone, you can just do it. Please reach out to their website. And thank you so much.